choose a targeting strategy for your campaign to help reach relevant customers at the right time. Targeting is how you define the audiences that you want to reach and engage when you're publishing an ad. The two most common ways to define an audience when you're using sponsored ads are keyword and product targeting. Keyword targeting matches your ad with the shopping queries that customers use when they are looking for something online. And product targeting matches your advertised products or brand with similar or complementary products in the Amazon store. Depending on the ad solution you're using, you'll have two options for how to set up your keyword or product targeting: automatic and manual. With automatic targeting, Amazon will use our unique insights to match your ads to related shopping queries and products, saving you time in campaign setup. Amazon will also provide you with recommended bid suggestions to help you bid more effectively and meet your campaign goals. We calculate the suggested bid based on bids for ads similar to yours that won impressions over the past 7 days. This can help speed up your campaign setup process and ensure you are bidding competitively for placements. You can choose to set one default bid for your entire campaign or choose different bids for targeting groups. These are groups of search terms and products matched with the product in your ad. There are 4 targeting groups you can define bids for in automatic campaigns: close match and loose match for keywords, and substitutes and complements for products. After your automatic campaign has been running for at least 2 weeks, review which keywords or products worked best for you, such as the ones with a high click-through rate or a return on ad spend that aligns with your goals. You can use these high-performing keywords in your manual campaigns. Manual targeting helps you to target specific keywords and products. In your manual keyword targeting campaign, you can choose different match types for keywords: broad match, phrase match, and exact match. These match types determine how closely the keywords you bid on match the shopping queries customers are using, giving you increased control over spend. In your manual product targeting campaign, you can choose different categories or individual products, giving you greater control over when and where your ads appear. For manual campaigns, you can set a different bid for each keyword, product, and category, letting you bid more competitively on keywords that perform well for you. Again, Amazon will give you a suggested bid, but you set the maximum bid you're willing to pay. Within both your automatic and manual campaigns, you'll see the complementary option to include negative targeting. With negative targeting, you can select keywords and products to prevent your ads from displaying when shopping queries match them, helping to exclude irrelevant searches and lower your advertising cost. For example, let's say you're selling high-end watches. You know that shoppers who are searching for products like yours are not budget conscious. So you may decide to select negative keywords like cheap or inexpensive. This will prevent your watch ads from showing up in specific shopping results and detail pages where they may be less likely to lead to a click or a sale. To help select these negative products and keywords, review your search term report to look for these low performers, such as keywords or products that have generated impressions but no sales. Again, you'll have match type options for negative keyword targeting, which are negative exact and negative phrase, and for negative product targeting, you'll have the choice to exclude by an entire brand or by product. Remember, to get started with campaign targeting, we recommend that you run an automatic campaign for at least 2 weeks to see what keywords and products perform best for you. Then take those high-performing keywords and products and use them in your manual campaigns. Keep your automatic campaign running to stay on top of shopping trends, and use your manual campaign to bid more competitively and confidently on keywords and products that are meeting your goals. Both your automatic and manual campaigns can be updated and optimized at any time. Ready to set up targeting on a sponsored ads campaign? Visit ads.amazon.com to get started.